We know that understanding the UK student route visa can sometimes be confusing. That is why we have put together this short video as part of our International Student Support series here at NCUK. My name is Ruth Jones. I'm the Associate Director of the Student Support Team at NCUK, and this video is Visa and Immigration in the UK. In this video, we will give you a brief introduction to the student route visa in the United Kingdom, the most common route for international students studying here in the UK. This visa has replaced the former Tier 4 student visa. However, as with all legislation and government rules, they can be changed at any time. So you should always refer to the UK government's website, gov.uk, for the most up-to-date information. We will not cover other visa routes, such as the Graduate Route Visa, British National Overseas Visa, UK Ancestry Visa, or any other visa you may come to the United Kingdom with. You can apply for a student visa to study in the UK if you are 16 or over and you meet the following conditions. You have been offered a place on a course by a licensed student sponsor, such as a university. You have enough money to support yourself and pay for your course. The amount will vary depending on your circumstances. You can speak, read, write and understand English. You have consent from your parents if you are 16 or 17 years old. You'll need evidence of this when you apply. To apply for a student route visa, you must have an unconditional offer of a place on a course with a licensed student sponsor. This is usually the university you intend to study with. To prove this, your education provider will send you a reference number called a Confirmation of Acceptance for Studies, CAS, once they have offered you a place on the course. You need a CAS before you can apply for your visa. You must have enough money to pay for your course and to support yourself in the UK. You need enough money to pay for your course for 1 academic year, up to 9 months. The amount you need to pay will be on your CAS. You will also need to show you have enough money to support yourself, unless you have been in the UK on a valid visa for at least 12 months on the date of your application. How much money you need on top of your outstanding tuition fee balance depends on where you will be studying. At the point of recording, in December 2022, you will need either £1,334 Great British pounds per month for up to 9 months for courses in London, or £1,023 Great British pounds per month for up to 9 months for courses outside of London. You must have this money for at least 28 consecutive days. The end date of the 28-day period must be within 31 days of the date you apply for your visa. Most international students must prove their English language knowledge when applying. Students applying from countries that require it can prove their knowledge of English by passing a secure English language test, a CELT, from an approved provider, having a GCSE, A-level, Scottish National Qualification at level 4 or 5, a Scottish Higher or Advanced Higher in English, gained through study at a UK school that you began when you were under 18. To apply for a student route visa, you must provide a current passport or other valid travel documentation, a confirmation of acceptance for studies, a CAS, from your course provider. You may also need to provide some additional documents depending on your circumstances, your country of residence, or the course that you have applied to study. When you can apply depends on whether you're applying from inside or outside the UK. Like most students, if you're applying from outside the UK, the earliest you can apply for a visa is 6 months before the start of your course. For these applications, you will usually get a decision on your visa within 3 weeks. If you're applying from inside the UK, the earliest you can apply is 3 months before your course starts. You must apply before your current visa expires. Your new course must begin within 28 days of your current visa expiring. For these applications, you will usually get a decision within 8 weeks. In a future video, we will cover more information about the confirmation of acceptance for studies, a CAS, including what you will need to get one of these from a university. Thank you for watching this video about visas and immigration and the student route visa. We look forward to sharing more valuable videos with you in the future. Have a great day.